In this part, I want to talk about programs and features in control panel. If I go to programs and features, I can see a list of installed programs here. Normally, you can install a program you are using its installer package, for example, an NSI package or the executive setup file. You can just select that and start installing that program. But when you install the program, you can go to programs and features and see the list of installed programs. Sometimes you may see a long list of items that you do not even recognize what they are used for. You do not need to touch it. You just go and watch the list and see if something is there that you do not want it, and if you want to install it, uninstall it, you can just do this. For example, I have Acrobat Reader on this system. I no longer need it. I can just go and highlight it, and as you can see, for any software in my toolbar, I may see different options. Here I can see uninstall and change. By changing, I can add or remove some features to this program. By uninstalling, I can just remove this program from my system. Or assuming that I have Autodesk Revit, I can go to select it, and as you can see again, I have some other option here, uninstall and change. Both are the same program. I may see, for example, WinRAR here. I can just see uninstall here. So if I want to remove some program from here, I can just go and select it and click on uninstall. But before doing this, I can see some attributes of the software. If I go to make it a little wider, I can see that this is from Adobe System Incorporated. It is installed in this date. It has occupied about this size of my hard disk, and this version is the version of my software. And of course, some of these items can be seen in the details pane of this program and features window. I just want to uninstall this. I just go and click on uninstall and click on yes, and program is going to open its custom uninstaller and uninstall the software. And this is quite easy, but based on the software that you are uninstalling, it may take a long time, or it may take just a few seconds. That's it. Now you can see that it is removed from the list of installed programs. So what about the updates? If you have installed some Windows updates, and you can see that Windows update is here. If I go to Windows update, I can change the setting and see what update is here. You can see that it is managed by system administrator. I cannot open this. If I want to open it, I need to open it as an administrator. But you can see that install updates automatically is selected. So whenever I am connected to internet, it is going to download the latest installs from Microsoft website and install it on its operating system. Now you can see that one important update is available. I can download and install it. Let me go back here in programs and features. If I have installed updates, I can go to view installed updates and see the list of installed updates here. Again, I can select these, and as you can see, I can uninstall these updates as well. If I feel, for example, one of these updates is taking my computer, is damaging my computer, as I told you, I can just select it and uninstall it. And the last part of this is Windows features. If I click on this, I can see a list of Windows features. I want to make it a little wider. Now you can see that the list of features contains a long list. And I can, of course, see legacy components as well. If I open this, I can see some items that are not active in Windows 10, but they are, still there if I want to have them. So I can select language packs. You can see all of these are here. If I have a check beside these, they are going to be installed. If I remove the check, they are going to be removed. I can select to have Hyper-V for virtualization, for example. I can install different versions of .NET Framework and Telnet client, Telnet server, and things like this. All of them can be selected from this list. If I want to install it, just select it. For example, I want to have Telnet client. I click on this, I click on OK, and it is going to be installed in a few seconds. That's it. You do not need to have the Windows, DVD. Everything is right there. You do not need to have you do not need to have, specific customization for this, except those that you need to know about when working with